All right, well, good morning, folks. I'm just heading out now on a day trip from my camp. The weather's been really shitty, just raining constantly. Yesterday, I decided to go up to McClure Lake, which was all dirt and gravel for service roads, and it was miserable. I tried to do a little fishing up there, but it was just pouring rain. So today, it's supposed to rain again all day today, and I'm going to head over to Port Renfrew. It's about an hour ride on a beautiful mountain paved road. Yeah, I think I'm going to go do that today, and then hopefully the rain will hold off, and then I will go into Port Renfrew for lunch and then come back to my campsite. Hopefully I stay dry. We'll see. All right, ciao. Isn't this beautiful? Holy shit. It's called the Lower Harris River, I believe. There is a beautiful river here. Check this out. Look at the rapids. Beautiful bluish green water. That's just fantastic. So look at these rapids right here. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Wow. Wow. I love where I live. Now, isn't this gorgeous? This is called Harris Canyon. Look at that. Look at those falls, those rapids up there. Just spectacular, eh? Wow. Look at that bird. What is that? Kingfisher or something like that. Look at that. Well, there you have it, sports fans. Another successful trip. Spent 3 nights camping here at beautiful Gordon Bay Provincial Park. Olive is all packed up and ready to go. Saw a lot of really interesting roads and sights on this trip. So anyway, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Ciao.